Urgent. The clock is ticking. You are staring at a blank sheet of paper with a strict time limit to produce a passing essay in a second language. Your examiner has handed you this specific topic. Should people show more of their private lives on social media? Many students fail because they try to translate native language thoughts word for word. This usually leads to tangled sentences and grammatical errors that are difficult to correct on the fly. Passing the German B2 writing exam is not about literary style. It is about executing a reliable mechanical framework that meets the specific requirements of the graders. The prompt instructions tell you to bearbeiten Sie diese Punkte, or process these points. To do this correctly, you have to look for the 4 structural elements that the examiners are actually tracking. A successful B2 opinion piece must include a clear opinion, logical reasons, a discussion of disadvantages or alternatives, and a summary conclusion. We can map those requirements into a visual checklist: opinion, reasons, disadvantages, and conclusion. Once you have this list, you no longer have to guess what to write next. You simply work through the sequence. The first step is stating your opinion. If you begin your text with Ich denke, I think, you are using an A2 vocabulary level. Instead, use a standard B2 connector like meiner Auffassung nach. On our notepad, we start with meiner Auffassung nach spielt das Internet heute eine große Rolle. Notice how the highlighted connector identifies the text as B2 level while keeping the sentence structure simple. Next, we add our stance. Deshalb sollten Menschen vorsichtig sein, was sie posten. Therefore, people should be careful what they post. Our first objective is complete. Utilizing 2 clear, vocabulary-appropriate sentences helps establish the tone of your essay from the very first paragraph. Now we move to the reasons and disadvantages. To show B2 fluency, you need to demonstrate balanced argumentation. We frame this using a connector pair, einerseits and andererseits, on the one hand and on the other hand. First, the positive side. Einerseits ist es schön, Erlebnisse mit Freunden zu teilen. Then the counter-argument. Andererseits besteht die Gefahr, dass private Fotos missbraucht werden können. This is a crucial grammar check. The word das forces the conjugated verb to the absolute end of the sentence. Moving this verb correctly allows us to check off the reasons and disadvantages boxes. Fulfilling these syntactic rules is essential to meeting the formal criteria of the exam. The conclusion has one specific job: summarize your argument without adding any new points. We signal the summary by typing zusammenfassend lässt sich sagen. Our final sentence is, dass ein klares Limit zwischen öffentlichem und privatem Leben wichtig ist. The checklist is now complete. Before your time expires, perform a final visual scan. Focus specifically on your verb positions and adjective endings to catch any last errors. A structurally sound argument that follows these rules will consistently score better than a complex text filled with mistakes. In this 150-word text, the blue connectors provide the logical flow, and the red verbs anchor the sentences. These highlights show the structural skeleton of the entire essay. This modular layout can be applied to almost any B2 prompt. Whether the topic is social media or environmental policy, the required framing remains the same. Practice this yourself. Pick a new topic today and draft your own einerseits and andererseits paragraph to verify your verb placement. By using this sequence, you can walk into your exam and follow a predictable process to complete the writing section.